So far, I mean, it made it, you know, to this type of area here with my tire setup. And if you have the exact same tires on your S3, is you're practically all good on, you know, hard compact sand. But if we're even like damp sand, but if you move up to territories like this right here in the sand, you know, you could have a possibility of getting stuck. It's risky business trying to go over here, because plus you know, the car is a bit lower, right? So this whole entire area over here, like, you should be good. You should be good to be driving it around this area here. But oh yeah, no, your S3 in this type of sand here, that's all good. Now if we keep moving, oh yeah, so like the weight, oh yeah, no, I would not drive your S3 on these sandy beaches like that. Avoid doing that.